Hey everyone, so we're back again and we've got our Organza Beeswax Food Wrap and I've got a bowl here and I'm gonna demo how this is performing. I don't find that it sticks great. It's not perfect. So it really doesn't stick down very well in my opinion. So I think I'm gonna try putting a elastic cord onto it. So I'm gonna add an eyelet onto one corner. So I've got my eyelet press here and I'm gonna add an additional piece of wax wrap into the corner just to try and make it a little bit more sturdy, I think. You know what, I'm actually going to cut that into a triangle shape so it doesn't stick out so much. So, like that. There we go. Okay, so I've got my triangle and I'm going to put the eyelet through. Oh, this is kind of awkward. All right, here we go. You even seeing that? There we go. Okay, so here's my eyelet press. So I'm going to punch the hole. And the eyelet through. Okay, let's see how this does. All right. Oh, so I like how that kind of went in. That feels good. Oh, my extra piece of cord is over here. So, here's my cord. I've already prepped it. It's got the bead on the end, the toggle. I'm just going to feed the cords through from the front. And I should have singed the ends to stop them from fraying. But, okay, here we go. So now we've got a cord attached to it. So now we'll try it again. And I think this is going to work a lot better with the cord and the toggle. Ta-da! So now, okay, I should have something in there so you can see how well you can see into it. Okay, so I have this little prop. It's like it's a prop apple. So you can see, oh, you can see that it's red. I should get some other stuff to put in there. That's pretty good though. I'm pretty impressed. So if you're gonna wrap the apple, taking it out of the bowl, and then just gonna wrap an apple or, you know, an onion or something like that. Okay, so the cord is a tiny bit long for this, but that's perfect. You can totally see that that's an apple. I made see-through beeswax food wrap, you guys. Holy Dinah. Woohoo! Okay, I think this is a win. Stay tuned for my next fabric experiment for beeswax food wrap. Bye.